Hey, I'm Boomer Lee with Boomer Lee Homes and Next Move Real Estate. Welcome to the 56 Thomas Way Southeast Virtual Open House. Located in Johnson Station here in Ludowici, this home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and over 1,500 square feet of living space. The heart of the home is a huge living room with open floor plan. The formal dining area offers plenty of natural light. In the kitchen, a large island, pantry, stainless steel appliances, modern cabinets, and breakfast area. All appliances stay, including the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. In the primary bedroom, an impressive vaulted ceiling and plenty of room for a California king or any other furniture you choose to bring. Plus, a walk-in closet and full bath with dual vanities, garden tub, and separate shower. This home offers both an open floor plan and a split floor plan, so the secondary bedrooms are on the other side of the house for added privacy. This is bedroom number 2. Here's full bath number 2 and bedroom number 3. Outside, plenty of room for grilling on the patio, and an automatic Generac full house generator with propane tank to keep the lights on regardless of the weather. If you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule an in-person showing, call or text me directly at 912-312-5000. I'm Boomer Lee with Boomer Lee Homes and Next Move Real Estate. Thanks for joining me for this virtual open house of 56 Thomas Way Southeast in Ludowici.